things that we run into a lot is when we're staging a home, we may put something somewhere and 5 minutes later move it to an entirely different location. 5 minutes later, move it somewhere else, and at the end of the day, it might end up getting boxed up and packed away. So the whole idea is just using your creativity and trying to find contrasting items that pop from their background and items that flow together with a differential in size. So we'll show you some examples as we head along the way. All right, good variation color. All right. So when we're trying to stage in particularly a kitchen or bathroom or anywhere like that, a lot of people ask, well, how do you know how to do that, or what do you use? And people have misconceptions about what works and what doesn't. What we really try to incorporate is just some basic rules of staging, which are the rule of threes, ones, or fives. So we have 3 items here, all of various different heights, but all that kind of go together and kind of pop when you put them together. What we're trying to do is show off actually not the items, but show off this really cool backsplash. It's on a herringbone pattern, and we want people to notice that. And one way to do that is to showcase it with items that are contrasting in color. And I always try to go for something that has a little bit of a shine or sheen to it because it reflects the light, kind of draws your eye in that direction. Again, the whole purpose of staging is to highlight a home's attributes and kind of play down its not so great features. So hopefully you think this works, and we're going to get to work on another section of the house. All right, so our theme of this house, or one of the things we're really trying to showcase, is just the lightness of the area, but we have a lot of dark furnishings to work for, so that's kind of creating a little bit of challenge for us. Take, for example, this couch. Absolutely nothing wrong with the pillows on this sofa. They look great, but what it's not accomplishing is it's not allowing the light to reflect off of these pieces. In fact, the light is getting sucked into them and kind of sucking just kind of the life out of the room. So Dee had a great idea. She brought in some pillows to kind of give us a little bit of inspiration. These are actually from the master bedroom, but we're going to go shopping in a little bit and just pick up a few accessories that will help us make this transformation. It really is pretty dramatic. Take a look at this now. Look at the way the light reflects off that sofa. It looks entirely different. It youthens the room. It's really, really effective. And that's a great example of how you don't have to go out and buy brand new furniture. Just a few accessories can completely transform the look of a room.